Is your 2022-2024 Toyota Tundra key fob not working reliably? It likely needs a new battery. The process is simple and can save you money compared to a dealership visit. This fob uses a CR232 3V lithium coin cell battery. Ensure you get a quality brand like Duracell for best performance. All you'll need is a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool. Open the fob by gently inserting the tool into the seam, typically on the side or bottom, and prying it apart. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR232 with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the fob back together and test. If it doesn't work immediately, don't worry. A simple reprogramming step may be needed. If your Tundra key fob still isn't working after replacing the battery, try this troubleshooting step. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, and press the lock button on the fob. This can resync the fob with your vehicle. Always dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. To extend battery life, avoid exposing your fob to extreme temperatures or moisture. While some aftermarket fobs exist, stick with official or reputable brands to avoid signal issues. Remember that cold weather can drain batteries faster, as some 2023 Tundra owners have reported. Replacing the battery yourself can save you about $75 compared to dealer costs, according to recent reports. However, if problems persist, consult your Toyota owner's manual or a certified technician.